What's going on, guys? It's Mr. LH here today, and today I'm doing a YouTube vlog. And as you can tell by the horse, the little goats and the annoying sheep that won't stop, I'm at Gorse Farm, and I got my food in my pocket. I've just emptied the bag so I don't have to put the camera down. This is my second time recording. Oh, here are the goats. Hello, Mr. Goat. Hello. Anyone? Oh, want some food? Some food? I'm just going to chuck it. Some food? Well, you can thank me because I've got the birds away for you. Alright, we're heading down to the sheep. There's another sheep section down there, I think. Alright. Let's go down. Oh, there's some more rams. Just like Derby. Hello there. Hello. Hello. Oh, look at the little cute one. Hello. Do you want some food? Hey. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. You want some food? Yeah, you want some food? Who wants the food? Anyone want the food? Takers? Ready? Do you want some food? What's this? Hey! What's that? Oh, you're so cute! Oh, dude, little. I think there's some baby rams down here. We're gonna have a look. I asked you earlier, don't look at me like that. I asked you and you said no. Look at it. There's a big sheep. There's a big goat there. Oh, shut. Right, we're just gonna come down here. There we go. There we go. I'm coming round. Oh. Here's another food. That they need to. It does us a favour and eat all the grass. Yeah, it's getting a bit long for you, ain't it? I'm not doing it. Right. I am by myself. I tried to get my friend to come, but she won't pick up the phone that time. Yeah, if you're wondering how much it is in Gorse Farm, it's 50p for a food bag, £3 per adult, and £1.50 for a child and teen. And yeah, I'm not going on the park. Look at the goat, look at the pigs. Oh my god. I want to stroke it. I've never stroked a pig before. Oh my god, look guys. I'm stroking a pig. Oh my god. He's having a great dream. Oh, hello. Hello. Yes! I got the pig. I would love to stroke a little guinea pig, but they're just too fast. Look, I'll go into the guinea pig room now if I can find it. I think this is it. Oh, look at his little chickies. There they are. You're looking a little bit. Got some food? Oh, you're a cute one, ain't you? Look, you're a cute one, ain't you? Oh, you're a cute one, ain't you? Aren't you? This is I'm having a good time, guys. This is only one area. Farm. Oh, I do. Yeah. Let's see what's in this one. What?
Okay, keep jumping up. Where would that go? Daddy, he used to food into that. No.
It's over there. Hello. Stay. 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 Oh my God. Are you so lonely? Are you lonely? Oh, you're hungry, boy, ain't you? There's a lot of poo around here. Are you alone? I'm going to give you some more food. There you go. Oh, are you a cute one, are you? Oh, you got a good afro for your age. Look at that afro. I want to stroke it there. Are we friends? Are we friends? Right, I think we did it, guys. Is there any more animals here? There's a little chicken. Hello. Hello. Right. Oh. Hello. Hello. Don't do the cock-a-doodle-doo. I'm getting away, guys, before you cock-a-doodle-doos. Yeah, right. All the goats have gone down there. They really need someone to clean these stables out. I'm not even going to show the camera because I don't want my fans throwing up. Where's like a little tiny little... Hello! You're scratching your back? Or do you want some food? Hey? Yeah? Yeah. That's it. Good boy. Or girl. It could be a girl. Who's a good boy or girl? I've got no idea. He's just looking at me. He's just like, let me zoom in. Why are you not giving me my food? I'm coming, hold your horse hard. Now you stood up, aren't you? Hey? There you go. Oh, you took that right off my hand. He doesn't like being stroked. There you go. Oh, it's so adorable. I'm going to have to come down here to do it for you. Oh, you're so adorable. You're so adorable. Aren't you? You are so adorable. No. Leave. Hello. Oi. Do you want some food? Hey? Want some food? There it is. Hello. There you go. Hello, little cutie. Do you want some food? Yeah, you're adorable, ain't you? Right. Let's not take the food. There you go. If you can. Yeah, they're doing this. They're told they're eating the grass. Right. That's all the food I've got left. Yeah. I tried filming it one time, the first time. You can have a little bit, share it. Oh, now you're eating the grass, you're doing as you're told. Good. I can't feel, I would love to stroke the horse though. Oh, but we can't stroke the horses. Not fair. Yeah. It's been a fun time. Let's just, there you go. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna end the YouTube vlog here because there's not much else to see apart from the park and the calf. Yeah, I think you've seen everything. There are some sheep down there, but they're having the pens cleaned out. Oh, he's sunbathing. He's just like, don't bother me, I'm chilling. I'm going to try and stroke him again. I've stroked this guy. There's no way I'm going to stroke this guy. I want to see if I can stroke this guy. Hello? Yeah, you do need a bit of water. Oh, he's a good boy or girl. Let's have a look. Who's a good girl? Okay, I'm going to go now, you pig. Right, yeah, I'm going to end the YouTube vlog here. Just want to show you one thing else. Yeah, we've already seen the guy. I want to see if he's climbing on the fence again. Because last time I went, it was climbing on the fence. Oh yeah, and there's a cow that you can milk. It's just water. Right, let's have a look. No, he's not. There he is. You can see his afro, look. What's that? Oh, she's... You can get it if you can reach it. There's one treat left. Get it then. Look at him, look at him. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah. Whoa. You nicked my finger there. Right. Yeah, I'm going to end the YouTube vlog here. Oh, there are little goats. Yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here and now don't forget to like this video and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!